The Mototec. Let's go. But you guys, we're outside now. After you guys saw the unboxing, we took the stickers off. It looks better. We still have a little bit of this gray debris, but it's still fine. This is actually a little bit after I took the unboxing, so I already wrote it. So this is just review after unboxing. So I already know what it feels like and stuff. But if you guys want to see top speed and like tests, go to my other video. I'll link it in the description of the video too. But this thing is look really cool in the black. So this thing is really good in the dirt. It's meant for dirt because it has really good dirt tires, and it's called a dirt bike. It has really great suspension. Here, right here. I didn't even feel none of that. I would have felt something in the Ridstar 220. It's definitely louder than the Ridstar 220 though. Let's take it a little off-road, and we can still talk about it. So the price on this thing will be actually, it was okay price, $1,300, free shipping. And I bought mine from eBay because it's faster delivery than their website. So I'll link both in the description of the video. This is, if you guys want to see not a detailed review, you go to my last video, but this is a detailed review. We're just gonna have a chill ride and I'm gonna talk about it. Battery life, we're at 4 bars right now, and it's working. It's going good right now. But is the Mototec worth buying? Yes, it is, because this thing is really cheap and it's really powerful. It's 60 volt, 2000 watt. So it can do some crazy stuff, like pop the wheel up when you're just sitting on it and watch full throttle. Now pop the wheel up a little bit. You can do jumps too. You can watch, look, a little easy jump up here. That was easy. So far, it's been really great. And the speed knobs are right here. You can just turn them up. It has a claimed test speed of 40, but I got the 35 on my little app. If you guys want to see the speed test, go to my other video. There's a 72 volt Mototec 2, and a 48 volt, and a 36 volt. So, but the 36 volt is way cheaper, and a 46 volt is way cheaper. 72 volt is 2,500, and I might be getting the 72 volt. Brakes are really good, and comes with this key ignition switch. Turn off and turn on. This little turn off on switch, it barely does anything. It doesn't really do anything. Look at that little bike. And I'm actually getting a new controller for this so I can get more torque out of it. I'd like to call this the mini Surron, because it's basically a Surron, a mini and a little slower. Great traction on the slippery dirt. Here's an example right here. It's really slippery, leaves some dirt. That's really easy. If you're looking for something that's more peaceful for a ride, it's probably you're looking for the Ridstar 220. Like, act like you're comparing a sports bike compared to a Harley. And the Ridstar is a Harley, and this is like a sports bike. So, yeah, it's actually really nice. Meant to go on the pavement like this, but it still go on the pavement. It's not like the tire's gonna fall off on pavement. It's kind of a bumpy ride, but for me it's not as bumpy as the Ridstar it would be. But Ridstar's a more comfortable seat. That means it's not as bumpy. But this is like kind of bumpy. It's like if you're riding in dirt, it's not that bumpy. Like, yeah. There's a little smooth pavement over here. If you guys are wondering why I have these zip ties like this, because it didn't come with any handlebar clamps. Because when the box fell out while in the box, like it came with a hole in the box, and the handlebar clamps were in there or the charger. But luckily, I had a spare charger in my garage. Back up. It loses a little bit of torque when lower battery, but it doesn't lose like a bunch. Like right now it's probably like a 55 volt because the battery's lower. Still has a little torque. And still gets up to speed. So I definitely recommend this bike if you're looking for a cheap one and a lot of torque and a lot of speed. But e-box, I just didn't get it because it was too expensive and it was slower. It goes like 32. But this one goes 35. So, and a lot more torque than the e-box, I think. And it does really well in the hills. Like here's a really steep hill, right here. I'm gonna start from the bottom, and I'm at low battery too. Look, I'm just gonna full throttle around. Full throttle up the hill, perfect. It's gonna go up perfect. No problem. And I literally let out the gas that last second, dude, and it still made it up. Alright, so which place to get this place from? You don't know which place because there's so many people buying it. I recommend to buy it from eBay for the fastest shipping, but you should, if I'll link both in the description, Mototec website, and the eBay. And I have this person who bought the eBay off of eBay, and they actually was really fast shipped and really fast like delivery. So I'm gonna put that in the description of the video if you want to buy one of these. And I really actually the thing I didn't like about all these things I had is the kickstand wars out so quick. Like the Ridstar's kickstand only lasted for like a month. Dude, I can't go this way for like a month, and it really sucked. And then I literally still have no kickstand to this day on the Ridstar. But this one actually has a really durable kickstand, and it's tall kickstand, so the bike can stand up more. Let's see if I can kind of hit the jump up here. Oh, that's a little bit. Barely hit it though. Let's do and it has very good suspension, actually. If we go out here into the bumpy land, I called it bumpy land. I call it bumpy land. It's really good. And it's tall grass too, handling well. Maybe 4'5", 4'3", maybe even less, because this bike is very short. You could be 4'2", and maybe still be able to ride on it. There's so many of these things sticking up. It's really short bike, and it looks big on screen because that's what I thought. But it might come, and it might come really small, and you'll be like, wow, it's really small. But for me, the size feels perfect to me. Yo, it's the road right here. I've never been out here before. Yo, what's over here? Is this a trail? No, I thought it was a trail. If this was a trail that led to a place, that'd be really fun, because we don't have a sidewalk in the neighborhood. Or we don't have a sidewalk leading to a cooler trail. We don't have a sidewalk on the road either. It's so weird. They're constructing it, but they haven't made it yet. You're probably saying, should I get the Tudio Slowly 1? I don't know how to say it, but that, or this. But I would probably go with maybe the Tudio. I should have got that one because it goes a little faster, I think. But I actually the reason why I got this, it's for torque. It's not the speed, because I know the Tudio goes faster, but this is way better torque. than the 2 because that's 48 volt and this is 60 volt. So if you're looking for more speed than 2 you're looking for quickness like torque, then the Mototec, because you can upgrade the controller and put the speed to really fast if you want to. And now the controllers are about like $150 upgrade, maybe sometimes even $250 if you were looking for a kit that comes with like a full twist throttle, because that's what I got, and a bunch of like a little thing up here, not just this weird display. I'll link one of those in the description too. If it's still available, I'll link it in the description. Can I go through here? Oh, it fits. There's no way the Ridstar would have fit here. But I have an idea. Yo, look at these hills. I can go up these. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Let's go. Woo! Yo, I'm still gonna. Yo, that's sweet. Dude, that was sweet. That bird been there the whole time. Can I go up? Yo, that's so cool going down it. Let's go one more time. Woo! Yo. We can try to wheelie it. Oh no, I can't do that. I can't. It's like so heavy. See, some of the people looped out and they broke their fender after that. Yo, it's so hot out here, bro. The same FedEx guy who delivered the Mototec, the Ridstar, and the Leo XX10. You want to say anything to the camera?
What's up, camera?
Down the hill. Skirt, skirt. Skirt. And the thing is, for this bike, free shipping, that's insane, because this box is huge for free shipping. And it comes with all these silver plates and stuff that cover around it when it's shipping. And if you don't like putting together parts, it's not worth buying, because we had to put together the forks, the front plate, the tires. It's crazy. And the handlebars. If you're not a good person that does that, you should bring it to a store and get it. Or I think that's the same thing with the 2 too. I don't know what I just said. I mean, like this low EO one, I guess. Up these here. Up this hill. Let's go. That was the Mototec 60 volt. Is it worth buying? Yes. Let's just plug this bad thing. Well, wrong charger. Let's just plug this bad thing back in. Undo this. Charger. That was the Mototec 60 volt 2000 watt detailed review. If you want to watch my other review with music in the background and like chilling, you can go watch that one in the back. I mean, my latest video after this one, before this one. But that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. See ya.